Hi everyone, I'm Brandy Hopper, Q-SYS Technology Partner Manager, and I'm so thrilled to be chatting again with CEO of SpinetiX, Francesco Ziliani. Thank you so much for joining me again today. Can you just remind our audience a little bit about yourself, about SpinetiX?
I'm Francesco, I'm the CEO of SpinetiX. SpinetiX is a company dedicated to digital signage. And I'm a passionate. Digital signage for me is really a way to impact people, inspire them, help them taking the right decisions. And that's possible thanks to this collaboration.
That is awesome. Thank you so much for sharing. So I know that SpinetiX has the Arya plugin. Can you just kind of recap the Arya plugin for our viewers so we can, as we discuss the newest plugin, we can kind of compare and contrast?
You can define alerts or messages, and these are listed in real time in the platform so that you can simply connect any trigger, any combination of triggers, logics, to an alert, connecting the sensor or the logic to the alert you want to trigger. That's very easy.
That's really cool and very useful in building in a retail space. I mean, there's various applications for this. So this is really cool. Thank you for sharing. And now we have the Elementi plugin.
The Elementi plugin allows to collect data. So you're not only trigger a message or an alert on your screen, but you are able to collect information like a temperature value or like a gesture type, and then the way you design the scenario, is much more rich. And we have done together a very interesting and nice application where imagine you are in a corporate environment, you want to collect feedback on a project you won or on an initiative you organize. Well, all the users can just thumb up, thumb down, vote with one or two or the fist, and all that information can be collected in real time and the feedback given to the user. So again, much more scenarios of automation you can have with this new plugin. It's true that the plugin is more sophisticated because it's able to collect more information, more data. What is really changing is the impact that the results can have on people. Which definitely is, let's say, more rich in application of options.
Makes sense. Okay, that's amazing. So I actually wanted to know, and I know you're familiar with the Q-SYS ecosystem and how your plugins kind of play into that ecosystem. Can you share an example maybe of how your digital signage plugins, the Arya and Elementi, or just kind of fit into a space, the triggers, the automation, or just a real world example of how that might work?
Absolutely. Yeah, we are talking more and more about high impact workspaces. It's true that more and more people are expecting an experience when they go to work or when they visit a building yes, we are actively using every day, 24 hours per day, the building where our office is, these type of technology integrations, and the impact on people, the way they work, the rhythm in their day, the way they interact, the way they are aware of initiatives, the way they are involved in the life of the company. It's amazing. It's amazing. So we are just at the beginning. I'm sure we have more integration, artificial intelligence, more sensors. That is going to be just amazing, much more simpler for everyone to work, to interact, to take more time for us. And I'm looking forward to this future.
That's awesome. I think the future is bright. Thank you so much for chatting with me again, Francesco, and we'll talk again.
It's a pleasure.